Well, Marc D, CutRock'R here. Many thanks for all the warm wishes I've received over the last 5 weeks. Much appreciated. Today, we're off to flip strip for the 35g Nationals. The two cars at the back, the Starburst Matchbox and the Hot Wheels yellow Corvette, are the ones that are going to the races. The three cars at the front, well, the Supermen with Kryptonite and the other yellow vet are cars that just didn't make it and I don't think would be anywhere near competitive enough. I think it'll be a Superman tournament, but like true Aussie spirit, I'll get the best out of what I got and give it a red hot go. Let's race off the three cars that didn't make the cup. Thank you. So we'll have a quick race off of the three cars that didn't make the 35g race team. Two Supermen. I tried very hard to find a lot more to try and put on the team, but at $20 a car, and normally you can only buy one from one vendor, by the time you get them shipped anywhere, the cost just becomes nuts. I got these two, and I did have a third one which is in bits because though being in mint condition, the wheels were like bananas. These are slightly better, but we'll see. The dark blue wheeled Superman. Over in the far lane is the silver wheeled Superman and the blue dot yellow Corvette. Let's race. The winner of the first race, the silver wheeled Superman, is now in the lane closest to us. Let's roll. The lanes were cleaned down before I started off this race. I can see quite quickly that the middle lane is performing a little bit slower than the other two today. So I'll take that into factors. Let's race. All lanes, all cars moved over another lane again. And there we have it. These three cars actually performed quite well. The yellow vet with a 50 and a 52, that's pretty damn competitive. The two Supermen, not far behind, but gee, there'll be a lot quicker Supermen out there. With over 85 cars racing at this 35g event, well, you're going to have to be quick. My two selected Corvettes, they're going to have a tough time against Supermen, but let's just hope they can bring at least a few down. Anyway, good luck to everyone out there, and don't forget to tune in to Low Country Diecast Racing League to watch the event. Thanks. Bonus Satire! On another channel, everybody's going crazy about what happened in 2020. I'll show you what happened in 2020, but I guess some don't fit the story. Big well done to SST Racing, my mate, in an early build with his RX-7. Cheers all.